verbs to remember. There are 3 more modal verbs we can use to talk about suggestions, invitation, requests, and polite offers. Those are shall, may, and will. You are already familiar with them because we have talked about them in previous lessons. The forms are always the same for all persons. Shall we dance? I will help you. Or may I go out for a second? The negative form is made by adding not. I may not be there tomorrow. Or you won't get another piece of cake. And finally, we make the question form by changing the place of the modal verb and the subject. Usually, shall is used with the first person, singular and plural, I and we, but it can also be used with all persons in some legal and formal documents. Shall we stay in or get out? Or, I shall be there, don't worry. Also, there is a special use of shall with commands, threats, and promises. You shall not pass, or you shall get your money back soon.